Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Today let us see how poha is good for weight loss, its health benefits with a simple recipe. Let us start. Poha or beaten rice is a trendy breakfast due to its fantastic taste and health benefits. It may be prepared in different ways using spices with varied ingredients. No matter how you cook poha and how you eat it, the popularity remains the same. It is easy to digest and keeps you full for a long duration. It is ideal for breakfast that is low in calories, rich in carbohydrates and fiber, packed with iron, antioxidants and essential vitamins. It may be the right choice for those who need to lose weight and stay fit. Now let us see the health benefits of eating poha. You may prepare poha with onions or mash them into cutlets. It is very light and filling for the stomach. It helps in controlling blood sugar levels, hence considered a good meal for the diabetes. It is an easily digestible food. Poha is a good probiotic food as it has undergone various processes like drying, beating and fermenting before the finished product. In this way, it has managed to retain the carbs and proteins. Thus, this makes it healthy for the gut. Now let us see how poha is good for weight loss. Poha is rich in carbohydrates and fat with various health benefits like reduced hunger pangs, better weight management, improved brain function and many more. Poha has ample amount of dietary fibers that is good for losing weight, thus keeping you full for a longer duration. Due to this, you are not eating any junk food in between meals. Therefore, your weight is under control and it keeps you healthy. If you are eating this healthy gluten-free breakfast every day for a week, you will experience weight loss along with many health benefits. Now let us see how to make a healthy poha or upma for breakfast. It is very easy to make and is associated with many health benefits. Please note down the ingredients. You need 1 cup beaten rice or poha, 1/4 cup raw peanuts, 1/4 cup capsicum or green bell pepper chopped, 1/4 cup onion chopped, 2 tablespoon carrot chopped, 3/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, salt to taste, 3/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 green chili chopped, a few curry leaves, 2 to 3 tablespoon cooking oil and a few chopped coriander leaves. Now please note down the method to prepare poha. Firstly, rinse the beaten rice or poha and keep aside. Heat the oil in a pan. Add the mustard seeds and allow it to crackle. Add peanuts to it and cook on a low flame until pleasant aroma comes from the peanuts. Add onion for another 1 to 2 minutes on low flame until onions turn golden in color. Add capsicum and carrot and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. Add green chili, salt, turmeric powder and black pepper powder and mix well. Add the washed poha to the pan and give a gentle stir until all the ingredients mix. Add lemon juice and mix well. Turn off the flame. Add the curry leaves and chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Serve the hot and healthy vegetable poha for breakfast. I hope you have gathered enough information on the benefits of eating poha and the reasons to make it an ideal food for weight loss. So include in your breakfast and remain healthy. Thank you.